exercise 7 is staring at the clenched fists. So stepping into a horse stance. Resting the fists on the waist. Make sure the knees are out over the toes. And then just using the hip to drive the fist forwards. Right fist for women first and left fist for men. Rotating the fist as you move. So rotating and staring at the fist as the punch is extended. Relaxing as you bring the fist back. Breathing out as you extend. Breathing in as you draw the relaxed arm back. Breathing out as you extend. Tension in the fist and the arm at this point. And drawing back with the relaxed hand. And the mind from here is going from dantian down the arm to the fist, looking at the fist and then drawing the chi back into dantian with your mind. So from dantian, the chi goes down the arm into the fist, drawing the chi back to dantian. And then gently stepping together.